Welcome to the automotive shop interview.
Interview
go-
questions.
Yeah, we're gonna go interview students around and see what they're doing today.
Yes. So, let's go.
Let's go.
All right.
Hey,
Mr.
Whitlock.
Whitlock, what are you doing today?
Wow, folks. Okay, so we're mounting and dismounting a tire with replacing a whatchamacallit?
Oh, what do you mean? What's your
Valve stem, a valve stem.
Ah?
That's on me.
Does this have a wheel speed sensor on it?
I don't think so, but I don't even know, to be honest.
Well, why don't you look?
I don't think so.
It does not.
Look, I know what I'm talking about. What can I say?
He's lying. Hey, Dylan, what you doing today?
Torquing tire. We're balancing tires. Right now I'm torquing. And then we'll be doing alignment on this truck.
What's the torque spec?
150 foot-pounds.
154 pounds.
Well, I mean, considering it's a big old tire, I can see why it's so high.
Yeah. We did 160 on the other tire.
Why 160?
Because there was a bigger tire and a bigger truck. It was an F350, not an F250.
Oh, okay.
See,
pretty
you
cool.
learn something new every single day.
Yes, you do.
Thank you, Dylan.
Thanks, Dylan. So we're gonna go to the sophomore side and see what the sophomores are working on. We're gonna interview them. Hey, Robert, what are you doing today?
I'm supervising this front suspension mission.
Why aren't you working on it?
I'm supervising, so you can put me in charge.
That's funny. Alicia, what are you doing today?
Me and Zach are doing front suspension that we got told to do by Sanka.
Oh, okay. Aiden, what are you doing?
I'm helping out a little bit, grab some tools off the ground, put some tools away. Yeah. I literally just put tools
I really hope that you are helping. Don't be a pain in the behind, because I know Zach can be short-tempered.
Can be or always is?
Shut
We
up.
do not like comments from you. Zach, we love you. Have a good day.
That the cutest little thing.
Okay. Hello, C. What are you doing today?
We are replacing a wheel speed sensor on a 2006 Chevy Colorado. And it's giving us a hard time.
Sounds pretty fun. Jerian, how do you feel about this?
Trash.
This is the end of the video, so make sure you guys subscribe and
like the video. Oh, wait.
like the video, hit the notification bell, so you always get notified when Sanka posts a new video.
And follow his TikTok, Pete's Automotive Experience 1.
Period.
I think that's it.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye. Hello.
What are you guys doing today?
We are replacing a wheel speed sensor on a 2006.
My bad. Alicia,
Are we
stand up.
serious?